Hi everyone, Jim O'Brill here with DriveChicago. Today we're taking a look at a performance-oriented family hauler, the 2021 Dodge Durango SRT. This model comes equipped with a 392 cubic inch HEMI V8 that delivers 475 horsepower and has a 0 to 60 time estimate of 4.4 seconds. This one surely will get the kids to school on time. It also gets a refreshed exterior for 2021 that has more of a muscle car look with hood scoop, racing stripe, 20-inch wheels, and this F8 green looks great on the Durango SRT. They've also updated the inside to be more of a performance-oriented driver-focused cockpit loaded with a lot of new technology. Let's hop in and take a closer look at the Durango SRT. The Durango first came to market for 1998 and has seen 3 generations. The current generation debuted for 2011 and hasn't changed much aesthetically since then, but new for 2021, Dodge has given it a slight refresh outside, updated the inside, and added more power. There are 8 different trim levels available with starting prices ranging from about $32,500 up to the $81,000 range. Trim levels include the SXT, GT, RT, Citadel, SRT 392, and SRT Hellcat, each offering a slightly different Durango experience. This review will focus primarily on the SRT models. New for 2021, Dodge has added to the SRT lineup with a new Hellcat version that gets a 710 horsepower supercharged 6.2-liter HEMI Hellcat V8. I spent a week in the SRT 392 that comes with the 392 cubic inch HEMI V8 and churns 475 horsepower with 470 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 time is an impressive 4.4 seconds, and it has an NHRA certified 12.9 second quarter-mile time. Upon starting it up, you have the choice of drive modes including track, sport, auto, snow, tow, or a custom mode you can calibrate. Dodge has even given this SUV launch control, solidifying its position as a modern muscle car SUV. It comes with a tough-sounding exhaust note and a mean rumble that made me grin every time I started it up. Straight highway driving is a blast in this SUV, especially when you can hit the gas off an entrance ramp. Its heavy weight keeps the Durango grounded, but do be wary of cornering or sharp turns as the taller roofline gives it a lot of lean. It comes with larger Brembo brakes, which are necessary with the 5,300-pound SUV, and they do the job just fine. The 8-speed transmission navigates the gears appropriately, but there are steering wheel mounted paddle shifters available if you'd like to control the gears yourself. It comes with a fairly stiff suspension and you may feel more of the road inconsistencies, but you'll be having a good time while you do it. Steering is tighter than other SUVs, but with the weight and size of the Durango, I wouldn't refer to it as nimble. As you might suspect with a V8, it is a thirsty vehicle. When it arrived with a full 24.6-gallon tank, it offered up to 365 miles of range. EPA ratings are at 15 miles per gallon combined, and after a week of driving, I averaged 15.6 on a mix of suburban roads. Exterior updates for 2021 include a wider upper grille with a slimmer headlight shape. The LED daytime running light signature has been modified along with a new sculpted hood and rear spoiler. The lower fascia has been restyled, giving it an even more aggressive and mean-looking front end. Dodge also offers a wide range of new wheel options that vary with each trim level. There are 11 different colors available, including some very catchy ones such as the F8 green test vehicle that I had. Others, like In Violet, Octane Red, and Reactor Blue, also make a statement. The updated interior has a more driver-centric focus with a traditional cluster behind the steering wheel that features a performance font in all of its digital graphics and illuminates in red and white. The overall layout is very traditional and functional, but the technology has been updated with an all-new and very user-friendly Uconnect 5 infotainment system. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and Amazon Alexa integration is also available. An 8.4-inch touchscreen is standard on the SXT and GT models, but a larger 10.1-inch touchscreen is standard on the rest of the lineup. The screen has a slight angle towards the driver and controls just about everything, including vehicle information such as drive modes, drive timers, G-force, and vehicle dynamics on the SRT models. Below the touchscreen are familiar knobs and buttons for climate controls, volume, and tuning. And just below that are retro-modern toggle switches that include toggles for SRT mode, launch control, and various driver assistance features. There are over 50 different ways to configure a Durango between 5, 6, or 7 passengers. The SRT 392 came with a high-performance leather suede seats and captain chairs that were very comfortable and looked great inside. The third row will accommodate 2 passengers with 17.2 cubic feet of cargo space behind it and 43.3 cubic feet when folded down. There are limited standard driver assistance features on base models, but that list increases as you go up the lineup with over 60 features available in total. The SRT 392 has been one of the most fun family hauler vehicles I've had the chance to drive to date. There is plenty of room for everyone, access to the third row was easy, and technology inside was current and easy to use. The Durango kind of flies under the radar, but it really should not be overlooked in this crowded segment. It is a unique offering with an exterior style that still works 10 years after it debuted, along with class-exclusive muscle car performance under the hood. That's a wrap of our look at the 2021 Dodge Durango SRT. Now this is one that you're not going to quietly sneak out of the house in. The HEMI V8 has such a great exhaust tone and a nice rumble to it as you start it up. For more information, you can visit DriveChicago.com to read the full review or to find a Dodge dealer near you where you can take one out for a test drive. I'm Jim O'Brill with Drive Chicago. Thanks for watching.